My goals were to have an open seating area where you can enjoy outdoor seating all year long and expand seating capacity. At the beginning, I went the vinyl plastic, and after a couple of years, it looked really cheesy, and I realized, that the place didn't look good enough for me. So I did some research to get the really glass folding doors that I'll be able to close and open. So I did a lot of research before I really pulled the trigger to buy them. And then when I talked to the representative, they were really knowledgeable. What I like most about the system is it's so easy to operate. It makes the place more classier. You utilize a lot in the winter and some. It's just amazing. I'm so happy with it. The customers love them. I get so many compliments from everybody. It's very easy to open and close. I couldn't be happier. I chose Easy Folder Door after researching many products and viewing a completed install. Experience with Easy Folded Door was smooth to start to finish. Communication was great, and they provided experienced installers. I definitely recommend the Easy Folded Door because, like I said before, the product's excellent, it's great quality, and a great company to work with.